Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this intense yellow eye makeup. This makeup is especially for Valentine's Day and I love how it turned out. So let's get started. This brush is from a drugstore. Taking this shade named Influence from BPERFECT'S Carnival Pro Palette in collaboration with Stacey Mary. Starting off by applying the shade on my crease area and adding color gradually for more sharp colors. Same on the other eye. This brush is from Morphe brushes, blending my crease shade with this shade named Makeup. Same on the other eye. Taking this shade called Persuasion, intensifying my crease a little bit more. Applying Reckless for more depth. This brush is from Morphe brushes, applying lights out to my crease. And blending it with the shade named Makeup. This concealer is from LA Girl Pro. Here I am applying directly to my crease and drawing a semicircle kind of shape. This brush is from Morphe brushes and this neon pink pigment is used for nails, but I am using it on my eye. Applying the pigment on the area where I applied concealer before. This brush is from Morphe brushes, applying the shade Lights Out and blend the outer and inner V of my eye. This brush is from Morphe brushes, taking the shade Persuasion, applying to my lower lash line. And blending it with the shade Lights Out. Highlighting my inner corner with Fair Play and my brow bone as well. So this is the final look. I hope you will all like it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.